Thanks for sharing your plan. I opened it in my copy of Architectural 2019, and it does that. A way to get around that until you figure out what's causing this is you can hit the Tab key, and then it selects where you left clicked. Let me show you on this one. Tab key, Tab key, Tab key. Left click, Tab key. Now, what usually causes that is, and I've already looked for that before I started the video, but nevertheless, you want to find any bad wall connections. You just check them one at a time and look at them visually. Okay, this looks a little funny right here. You've got an exterior wall here and an exterior wall on the inside of the house. That's probably not the cause, but I'm going to open this and go to wall types. Boy, I need a new computer. This one's getting slow. My goodness. There we go. And we'll change that to, well, you've got it at 6. We could go interior 6. That's an interior wall. I mean, I assume that is. Let's take a look. I'm not very familiar with your plan. This is not important. It just means that these textures were assigned to the plan while it was on your computer, and you didn't add them with the your shared plan. It's not significant. So what am I looking at? Why does that look like that? Okay. I think I'm on the first. Yeah, I'm on the first floor here. So that's not significant. And then this wall needs to be an interior wall, not an exterior one. Right now you've got siding on it. See, siding 6. Anyway, the way to figure this out is to start looking for things that are there that shouldn't be there. I meant to make this 6, and I did a 4, so I'm going to change that back to 4. I just clicked a little too soon. I don't think that's going to make any difference, appreciable difference. Yeah, it's still doing what it was doing. Let's see if it does it on this floor. Yeah, it doesn't do it up here. So I'm left clicking on the outside of the house to see if I can, okay, I can get it that way. I left clicked and of course selected that wall, and hit the Tab key to get the whole thing. But remember, this Tab key, and then you can go on and finish this plan up. That looks okay. I don't see anything wrong with that. What's that? Geometric shape. Okay, fine. Okay, commonly, I think you want it, this is a shower. The way to do that is close it up. And I'm going to draw this wall over to here. Obviously, they didn't fix anything yet. I'm going to replace it with a doorway to the shower and to here. commonly these openings, well, it's up to you whether it's a doorway or you just had a break there. So I'm going to move it over a little bit. If you want it to look just like a hole in the wall, you can open the dialog box and go to the, oops, I don't use architectural a lot. Oh, there's a casing tab, and just take the casing off and take the door threshold off, and now it just makes a clean hole in the wall with no casing or trim. And that's better than just leaving a wall break there. Like this here, I'm going to do the same thing to it. Go to casing and turn the casing and threshold off. Now for a shower, you probably want to go over here to the general tab and raise it off the floor about 3 inches. See, that way water won't run out of the shower. And we'll change the width to 24 inches. Doesn't have to be a gigantic opening for a shower. Stick it over there. That's better than just putting a wall in there. I mean, a wall break. Then you can open the dialog. We get bathroom. Change the display name to shower. And showers don't have moldings on them like regular rooms, so I'm going to delete the molding. Looks more like a shower. Okay, I don't see anything else that just sticks out like a sore thumb that might be causing that problem, but I've seen it before, and it's usually bad wall connections. What is that? Probably a soffit or something you stuck on the outside. It's not important, I was just curious. Yeah, okay, fine. It's not a very complicated plan, so I don't think, sometimes you get a plan with lots of weird angle walls and intricate, floor plan, and that's not the case for this. So I'm not quite sure what's causing it, but I do know a temporary cure is just left click, hit the tab key, and you can go ahead and finish this plan up. And this sort of thing happens less and less the more you use the software. And you're making fewer guesses. And what is that? We don't know. Something you put there. Okay, no earth-shaking solutions found here, but second floor seems to be okay. The foundation doesn't look, the foundation's not doing what the first floor is doing. That's what but the best thing to do is just click in the room you want to go to, and then use a tab key. I hit it twice that time, because I got the toilet first, tab key, whole house, tab key, bathroom. Okay, I hope this helps you a little bit, so you can just go ahead and finish this up. It happens from time to time, usually with newer users, and more veteran users you just don't see this as often because I guess that's just the way it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Thank you.